Oh, love this Mexican coffee. All right, let's talk about this. As you all know, I got this Neo a few months after the Neo released. First I was against it, but after the firmwares and all that, now I'm loving it. I can't stay away from it. I love it so much. I got the Fly More combo. Unfortunately in the US we get only 3 batteries, a charger, and a drone. That's it. So ever since the release, I accumulated tons of accessories. For some reason, Neo being a cheaper drone, accessories are cheaper too. So you go out there and buy everything you see saying Neo on it. So let me show you what I got. Here's a basket full of stuff for Neo. And I love every one of this stuff. They're so affordable, so easy to find. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. All right, let's go ahead and get this going. I think if you're like me, you know all these accessories can get your Neo game to the next level. These will help with everything from storage, protection to a creative control. And trust me, some of these are really game changers. First up, let's talk about storage. This Neo case is the great option for anyone who needs something compact and easy to carry around. Check this out. Comes with a strap, and here's the space for pretty much everything. This is only priced $39.99. It's a solid investment if you want to keep your Neo all protected. Check this out. Everything goes in just right. Here goes the batteries, battery charger. Whoopsie. And your N3 controller over here. If you want, you can remove the batteries. They go over here and one over here. Super nice. It's hard shell, somewhat water resistant, not waterproof. I don't recommend you to submerge it, but it's perfect. I mean, check this out. Excellent case with a nice handle. It's like a rubbery, grippy handle. Beautiful zippers. Excellent case. And this one is made by a company named Skyreet. I got a couple other things from these guys. I think they do a really good job as far as DJI Neo accessories goes. And there's a section up here if you have some paperwork, something you want to keep like cables and stuff. All right, let's move on to the next one. I just got this one. I didn't even get a chance to open it. I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is a crossbody Sling case. This has a little bit more space. The best part is you can carry your goggles with this. And, oh man, I'm going to go ahead and rip this off and get this puppy out of here. And it's all black, unlike the other one. This also has like a hard shell type of surface. Again, water resistant. And it's more like a backpack, more like a space. Here's your sling to put a crossbody. All right, here's the inside of it. It has 2 compartments. Over here, all the power and stuff goes. Very cool. And here's the divider section. And here's the foam section. Basically, I need to remove these foams. This goes in here. Your goggles goes in here. You can actually cut this to make it even bigger. That's what I'm going to do for my new Neo goggles that I ordered. I showed it in one of my previous videos. But this is super cool. And tons of space. Again, hard shell in the front. And in the back, there's one more little space that you can actually put more stuff in. It's like a secret compartment, fairly deep. Goes in the back. This is a really cool little case. And I think this could be awesome for if you're biking or if you're on a motorcycle or hiking that you need to carry your Neo around, something like that, with your other stuff. Also, obviously, for travel. Here's a handle. This handle is like a strap right up here. All right, let's go on to the next one. Well, this little case I thought it was really cute. Just got this before I got those other two to throw it into my my backpack so the drone doesn't get damaged. It's somewhat hard shell. It has little loops here for the shoulder strap. Nice little handle. And here's the inside of it. Basically, drone sits in there all by itself. And that's it. That's how you carry the drone. Boom. Super easy. And I got this one for like less than 20 bucks. And it has a nice little DJI Neo etched in the lid. Super cool. Let's go ahead and some of the other stuff that I have. I want to show you guys this bumper guard that I have for my Neo. I actually have it on the drone. Let's start with the bumper guard being on the drone. The bumper guard. Here's a Neo. See this stuff right here? That's where it connects. Like you see here, let me just show it to you. Boom. It's this easy. Unless you have a major crash, this thing is not going anywhere. Get onto this CPL filters. It's made by a company named Sunny Life. This comes in 6-pack or 3-pack. And I ordered a 3-pack. Here are the CPL filters. They're very cool. Again, no magnets, nothing involved. And I used the ND8 pretty much for everyday flying. It works just fine. And you basically bring it up top like so. And then you just put it in the front. It just clicks right on, like you see. And it's not going anywhere. I mean, it pops out when you remove if you squeeze this too hard. And the best part is you can use it with this. So you don't have to remove the CPL filter in order to put the camera guard in. Like so. There you go. So to remove it, obviously you squeeze one side, get it out. Here's the CPL guard. All right, let's move on to the next accessory. Before I go, this also comes, the one I ordered also comes the CPL, ND8, ND16, which is, those three is just fine with me. I call them all CPL filters. I just like the, if it's super bright, I use the 16. If it's normal, I just use 8. Next, let me show you guys this awesome thing I just got. It's just arrived yesterday. I didn't even open it. This is a floating propeller guard bumper for Neo. I mean, all of the stuff you see, they have tons of good reviews on Amazon, you guys. Obviously, I read my reviews before I make a purchase. Just don't want to buy anything, no matter how cheap they are. But I like these. They're kind of orangey and looks really good. All right. Comes with a user manual on how to put it on, which shouldn't be a brain surgery. It just protects your drone for crashes and stuff. I mean, check it out. They're very well made, and they're super light. Here, let's go ahead and put it on together. See what's up. That's it. Love this thing. This just gives another layer of protection and hooks on to the propeller guards. Let me just show it to you guys. That's what it looks like. And you get extra legs, these guys, for the drone. Let me just show you on my little tablet how it sits. It sits just like that. So drone basically doesn't touch the ground at all. Which is cool. I like it. Perfect. Glad I ordered those. They look really good. Not that I crush it or anything else, but I mean, just in case, especially if you're flying indoors and stuff, you know how it is. You hit the walls, you hit this, you hit that. Or like if you're doing follow me in the bushes or something, an area with lots of trees, I think this will be really cool. All right, this last part is basically, it's actually about my RC2 controller mainly I'm using with my Neo now since I sold my other drone. So this is like a primary controller for this drone now. And I purchased this from Amazon back in the day, like about a year ago. Works really good. I love it. With all the updates and stuff, this is flawless. No reason to fly it with the RCN3. If you can afford one of these, I highly recommend it. I'll go ahead and put a link about this. I got two things for this. One of them is this to protect the screen of this. You basically put this on top of the screen to guard your screen. I mean, not that it's going to expose to a lot of stuff, but just in case if you drop it or something. This is really affordable. I'll go ahead and put the link in it too. Another thing I purchased for it is basically a sunshade accessory kit. Super cool. And matter of fact, you know what? Let's go ahead and open this. And I just want to show you what comes with it. All right. Super cool. Nice packaging. A little, it's called, the brand is FPV Toski. They got all the languages and stuff. Package list comes with RC2 screen and joystick cover, magnetic sunshade cover, and a screw. All right. Here are the screws. Super nice screws. I mean, check it out. You can just do it with your hand. You don't need to use anything. And you get this puppy out. Oh, wow. Let's go ahead and, you know what? Let's go ahead and mount this. Let's see. Let's get the antennas open like this. Mount this. Yeah. Basically, you get the antennas open, and it doesn't block the antennas at all. Huh. You basically put it under the antennas, as you see, and then two screws over here, and you can still access if you want to hide your joystick. You can put them right in here, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. And they gave 4 screws. Obviously, I only need 2 of them. Just going to put it right here. Here's the screw. Huh. Super neat. Here's the second one. Like so. Looks just like this. And then you get the visor out. The cool thing is, if you're not using your drone, this becomes like a little case to protect the glass, so you can just toss this in your backpack or something. FPV Toski. Super cool. And it's also magnetic, that thing. And here's the visor. Oh, look at this thing. Unbelievable. Super nice. Oh, you know what? Maybe magnets are inside this instead of that, which makes total sense. All right. So you basically put this, yep. That's it. That's how it sits. You're going to look a little dorky flying around your Neo with this, but hey, if you're on the beach and you want to fly your drone around with this controller, any drone that compatible with this is the way to go, you guys. Totally blocks it. I mean, I can tell. And it's made out of super nice material. I mean, look at this. And the best part is, boom, boom. you remove it. And this thing folds nicely. It goes straight into your drone bag. That's it. This whole thing. FPV Toski. 3-in-1 RC2 screen, joystick, and sunshade cover. Well, can't go wrong. Well, that's it for today. All of this for DJI Neo. And as I acquire more accessories or gizmos for this little guy, I'll be happy to go ahead and share it with you guys. If you're looking for the links for this stuff, if you think any of these are that appealing to you, that's something you want to get for your Neo, I'll go ahead and put the links in there. By purchasing through those links, you'll be helping out to my channel. It's not going to cost you anything extra. Some of these items are on sale right now. Actually, you'll be paying much less than what I paid for them. So lucky you guys. Thanks for watching Teo's Take. I'll see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe and share this video if you think this content is interesting. Again, love you guys. Have an awesome day. Take care.